We're at the park. Now I was just passing by. I was collecting some money and I noticed a branch was broken, but I think this is the doggy for the dogs, for the kids over there. I brought my dogs over here once. Didn't even want to do nothing. All four of them, nothing here. Nah, just go home. Oh, looks like the wind was a little strong in this area. Let me see. Okay, mosquito on my elbow already. Wow, he was a little weak. See, you can see right there on the top. Right there. This spot right here. Yeah, the wind must have got in between and voila. Cut it in half. Yeah, you can see it's just perfect cut. Look. See? Nice and straight. Wow. Oh, so it is. Good thing that nobody's playing in none of this stuff because this can easily send somebody to the hospital. Yeah. Or even to the grave. We actually hit with this shit. All this force, this. Hey? Damn. Like a baseball bat hit you in the head. Lights out. Wow. That's the frisbee stuff to play. But yeah. Crazy shit. One little gap. See?